Ever had money in the bank, then boom, bills hit, and you feel that gut drop panic? That feeling is the worst. If you run a business or manage one and you're not 100% sure what's going on with the money, this is for you, because guessing is not a strategy, it's a stress machine. Here's the truth. Most business owners don't have a work harder problem. They have a I don't see it coming problem. Cash comes in late, bills show up on time, and you get ambushed. So what do most people do? They avoid the numbers, or they stare at reports that feel like a foreign language. Then they hope for the best, and hope is expensive. This is why I made the Stop Guessing Money Kit. It's a simple set of A4 pages you can download or print, written in grade 5 language, no jargon, and it takes about 15 minutes a week. Think of it like this. You don't need to become an accountant, you just need a simple weekly system that shows you what's happening, what's coming, and what to do next. Every week you do 3 quick steps. Step 1, a weekly money scorecard. You fill in a few simple numbers. In minutes you can see if cash is going up or down, and if profit is real or just looks good on paper. Step 2, a bills attack plan for the next 14 days. You list what's due, you choose what must be paid first, and you stop getting surprised. That's cash flow management without the headache. Step 3, a 13-week cash forecast. This is where confidence comes from, because you can actually see trouble early and fix it early. That's how you start reading financial statements for business growth without feeling dumb. Inside the kit are 9 templates that guide you. You'll also find tools to spot profit leaks, get paid faster, and stay in control. And there are simple guardrails for balancing growth and profitability, so you don't grow broke. There's also a simple place to capture business tax deductions and credits and tax planning notes as you go, just to keep you organized. Quick reminder, this is education only, not tax, financial, or legal advice. But it will help you walk into tax time with cleaner info and less stress. The price is just $17, and it comes with a 14-day guarantee. That's 2 weekly cycles. Try it for 2 Fridays. If you don't feel clearer and more confident, you get your money back. So if you're tired of fear, tired of embarrassment, tired of feeling out of control, grab the Stop Guessing Money Kit, print it, use it weekly, and finally know what's going on. No more guessing, just control.